Welcome to Lakshay India case study on how to become a judge in India. In this case study, we have brought data from existing Judge of India, so it becomes easier for upcoming aspirants to gain complete knowledge. We will discuss all steps in detail and also give clear idea on salary structures of judges. It is dedicated to upholding the rule of law, maintaining order, and delivering justice without fear or favor. Ensuring justice for all citizens, regardless of their background, is its primary mission. At the heart of this system are the judges, the guardians of justice, entrusted with the immense responsibility of interpreting laws, delivering impartial judgments, and ensuring that justice is served. Their decisions have a profound impact on individuals, communities, and the nation as a whole, shaping the very fabric of society. Becoming a judge in India is a challenging but rewarding journey. It demands rigorous academic preparation, extensive legal experience, and unwavering integrity. This comprehensive guide serves as a roadmap for aspiring judges, outlining the essential qualifications, career pathways, and skills required. It provides insights into the demanding yet fulfilling profession, offering clarity and guidance every step of the way. From understanding the educational prerequisites and the rigorous training involved, to comprehending the intricacies of the judicial selection process, this guide covers it all. It will provide aspiring judges with the knowledge and tools they need to navigate their career paths successfully. Aspiring judges must demonstrate not only a deep understanding of the law, but also a commitment to ethical principles. They must uphold an unwavering commitment to justice, fairness, and the principles enshrined in the Indian Constitution. These principles are the bedrock of the Indian judicial system, guiding judges in their noble pursuit of justice. The journey to becoming a judge in India begins with a strong foundation in law. This foundation is built through rigorous academic training and a deep understanding of legal principles. Aspiring judges must first obtain a Bachelor of Laws, or LL.B, degree from a recognized institution. This degree is the cornerstone of their legal education and opens the door to various career opportunities in the legal field. This can be achieved through a 5-year integrated program after completing higher secondary education or a 3-year program after obtaining a bachelor's degree in any discipline. Both pathways require dedication and a commitment to understanding the complexities of law. It is crucial to choose a law school approved by the Bar Council of India, or BCI, to ensure the validity and recognition of the degree. The BCI sets the standards for legal education and practice in India. Upon graduating with an LL.B degree, aspiring judges must enroll with their respective state bar councils and clear the All India Bar Examination, known as the AIBE. This step is essential for validating their legal knowledge and skills. This examination, conducted by the BCI, is mandatory for practicing law in India. It tests the candidate's understanding of various legal concepts and their ability to apply them in real-world scenarios. Successful completion of the AIBE grants candidates a certificate of practice, enabling them to officially practice as advocates. This certificate is a testament to their competence and readiness to enter the legal profession. This step is crucial, as legal practice forms the bedrock of judicial experience, providing aspiring judges with practical insights into the workings of the legal system. Through years of practice, they gain the expertise needed to interpret and apply the law effectively. Ascending the judicial ladder, promotions and higher appointments. Section 4. The Judge's Toolkit, Essential Skills and Traits. Section 5. Rewards of the Robe, Salary, Benefits and Beyond. Discover the comprehensive package that includes salary, benefits, and additional perks for Indian judges.